We're at the SPAB Old House project in Kent, and I'm going to show you how to repair a chimney stack. Although this is a medieval building, what we're seeing here is quite typical of most chimney stacks, where it's been rebuilt several times and we've got different bricks. Predominantly it's a soft red brick, and it's probably built around the Victorian era. Chimneys are quite vulnerable because of their exposed location, and so they're open to the elements, so they're going to get attacked from the weather and the frost, and also they're getting attacked from the inside due to the combustible material and the sulfates, the soluble sulfates, which will erode away the parging and the mortar inside the flue. Luckily we don't have the problem with this chimney stack that it's leaning, and it's only got minor cracks, so I don't think this one's going to be too bad. But if you are in any doubt of the stability of your chimney, you can always call the SPAB for professional advice. If we start at the top of the chimney, we can see that the flaunching has worn away, it's weathered away quite a bit, so we'll need to replace some of the flaunching. You then, working down, we've got the oversailing course, which is quite typical of a design of a chimney stack, and this is really to throw the water clear of the brickwork. You've got another tile detail with some flaunching on. Flaunching is a mortar fillet, which will give the rain something to run from. You've got quite a few spalled bricks. Although they've flaked in areas, it's not too bad. We can probably leave those. We have some handmade facing bricks. I think these were probably repaired maybe about 50 years ago, and they've been bedded in a sand and cement mortar. So although it's inappropriate and it's quite hard mortar, I think it will do more damage to remove, so I think we'll probably leave those in. But we've got quite a bit of lime mortar deterioration on the soft reds, so we'll need to chop those out later. Here at the base of the chimney we've got a traditional mortar fillet, although this one has failed because it's in a very hard sand and cement and it's cracked, so this will need to be replaced. I think because what we're going to do here with the age of the building and the look of it, I think we're going to put a lime mortar fillet back, possibly with lead soakers under the tiles and then a mortar fillet. What you tend to see on more modern houses is the lead flashing, so the lead soakers and a lead flashing that goes on top of the tiles and it goes in the joint. But on this traditional building we'll probably go with the lime mortar fillet. The mortar we're using on the chimney stack is a lime mortar. It's breathable, it's flexible, it works better with a soft red brick, and it allows for shrinkage, it's self-healing, and it's just going to be much more appropriate for these old bricks. This particular lime mortar mix I'm using today was mixed here at Boxley. It's what we call a hot lime mix, 2 aggregate to 1 lime. Of course you don't need to mix your own mortar, you can go to a specialist supplier and they can mix and match it for your project.